Hey friends, welcome to Sahana's study table, where you can become a genius. This is the place where we all study together. From this week, we'll learn about the human body, so stay tuned. This week, we'll learn about the digestive system. Digestive system is important for all to break down the food and absorb the nutrients. Digestion begins in the mouth with chewing and ends in the small intestine. The teeth crush the food. After that, the salivary glands produce saliva to turn the chewed food into a bolus. Then the bolus goes down via the esophagus to the stomach. The stomach does a lot of squeezing and turns the bolus into a liquid called chyme. During this time, an enzyme called pepsin breaks down most of the proteins from the food. The chyme then goes to the small intestine, which absorbs nutrition. And by the time the chyme exits the small intestine, there's only undigested waste, which travel to the large intestine. Then the undigested waste goes out of the body through the anus. Number 1 on the quiz. The blank produces saliva. A. Salivary glands. B. Tongue. C. Premolars. D. Incisors. Saliva is a liquid that helps turn the food into a mush. But I wonder, what produces saliva? Oh, the salivary glands produce saliva. I didn't know that. The salivary glands in mammals produce saliva through a system of ducts. Humans have 3 paired major salivary glands, as well as hundreds of minor salivary glands. Number 2. The blank teeth cut and chop food. A. Canines. B. All teeth. C. Premolars. D. Incisors. You guys know that we have 4 types of teeth: incisors, premolars, molars, and canines. But let's see which one cuts and chops food. Oh, incisors. Incisors, the sharp, chisel-shaped front teeth used for cutting food. Number 3. The blank tear and crush food. A. Canines. B. All teeth. C. Premolars. D. Incisors. We know incisors cut the food. So which one tears and crushes the food? It's premolars. Premolars are bigger, stronger, and have ridges, all of which makes them perfect for crushing and grinding food. The esophagus is a blank tube. A. Bony. B. Muscular. C. Soft. D. Flat. The esophagus is a muscular tube that brings bolus to the stomach from the mouth. That gave it away. It's muscular. The esophagus is a muscular tube connecting the throat with the stomach. The esophagus is about 8 inches long. The esophagus moves food from the mouth to the blank. A. Pharynx. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Stomach. We learned this. The esophagus moves food from the mouth to the stomach. That's right. That is the esophagus, and it moves food from the mouth to the stomach. Number 6. The stomach walls produce chemicals that break down the bolus into blank. A. Chyme. B. Waste. C. Gas. D. Big pieces. Think back. The answer is chyme. The muscles in the stomach walls churn the bolus, allowing it to mix with digestive enzymes and gastric acids. This process converts the bolus into a liquid called chyme. Number 7. The blank adds digestive juices to break down food. A. Pharynx. B. Small intestine. C. Pancreas. D. Stomach. Take 10 seconds. The pancreas is located in the abdomen. It gives enzymes that combine with the chyme to start the final part of digestion. It produces insulin and other important enzymes and hormones that help break down foods. Number 8. The blank stores digestive juices until needed. A. Pharynx. B. Gallbladder. C. Large intestine. D. Stomach. We know that the pancreas makes the juices, but what stores it? It's gallbladder. In vertebrates, the gallbladder is a small, hollow organ where bile is stored and concentrated before it is released into the small intestine. Wow! Number 9. Where does most digestion and absorption take place? A. Pharynx. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Stomach. I know from these options. It's B. Small intestine. Yay! It's correct. The small intestine is responsible for absorption of nutrition, salt, and water. Number 10. The undigested waste goes out of the body through the blank. A. Anus. B. Gallbladder. C. Small intestine. D. Large intestine. Just guess. My guess is anus. Yay! It's correct! Water is absorbed in large intestine and the remaining waste material is stored as feces before being removed by defecation. Anus is the opening at the end of the alimentary canal through which solid waste matter leaves the body. Thank you. To encourage me, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications on my videos.